guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all had an awesome Christmas. I know I did pretty good this year. I was pretty excited. Basically what I want to cover is the goals for 2022. I had approximately 106,000 views this year, which for a channel that just broke 1,000 subs, it's pretty nice, but it's not what I wanted. Yeah, so guys, I had 106,000 views approximately. Still got a day to go, but I mean, I'm not going to get like 1,000 views in a day or anything like that. Some of my shorts do, but you know, I don't really count that. Anyway, guys, sorry for the distractions. This guy didn't decide to weed eat till I came outside. I don't understand that, but okay. Regardless, my goals for 2022, I don't really have crazy goals. I want to break 1,500 subs. I'm at 1,300. I think that's a pretty good goal. I mean, it's nothing crazy. I'm not going to be disappointed if I don't hit 2,000. You know, my goal is 1,500. So I would like to start on some of the body work this year, get my side exhaust done and the fender flares on, depending on how good the car runs. Now, y'all seen in my previous videos, I hope, where I did my fuel pump install. Thanks again to Quantum Fuel Systems for sending that out. I have to basically go through the tuning process because the pump was weak, which is why I kept having to turn everything up so far. Now, even at idle, I'm running rich, so I gotta start backing stuff off a little bit and go from there. But for Christmas, this is one of the purchases I had. This is a glow shift nitrous gauge for nitrous pressure. So it's digital, so it can be in the cabin. I don't have to get out and look at the bottle to see what my pressure is at. Lawless Garage, he runs this. Used to be Busted Knuckle Production. He runs the same gauge. He suggested it to me. So I do have to run my nitrous out low because you unplug the bung to plug in the sensor and all your nitrous goes bye-bye. The other thing that I got that I'm super excited over is right here in this box. So I'm going to show y'all. This is my NRG steering wheel. This is the 009, I believe. It should say on one of these real quick. It's the RST009R, which is a flat bottom steering wheel. And when I tell you I open this, it looks like you're opening a jewelry box. Everything is just secure. It's got padding around. It just sits nice in here. It comes with this leather piece that says NRG Innovations. It's like a tag. It's got this cover on it. Now let me get this off and show you what I got. Some of you that follow my Instagram already have seen the steering wheel, but I just wanted to look at that right there. Man, I cannot wait. So basically, I have a generic hub. I might go with the NRG hub. The one you need is a 179, and that allows you to keep your clock spraying and use your horn and stuff like that. The reason is I originally wanted like the Ford Racing style, but the Ford Racing style has nothing here, and I wanted to keep my horn. Well, if I run the hub that I got with this, I still don't have a horn unless I rig something up, which is possible still. But with the NRG hub, the 179, everything comes together and everything stays factory. You still got your clock spraying, you still got your horn and everything like that. So like I said, I might go with that. I might just stay with my off-brand hub. That's about all there is to it. It's very good quality, nice beefy wheel. I love the flat bottom because I am kind of a big guy, you know, 6'1", 300 pounds. 298. My wife gets mad when I say 300, like them 2 pounds is gonna make a difference. Regardless, I know I've said a lot. I'm super excited to get these two things on the car and just be a step closer to getting it to where I want it. And then, like I said, I do want to get started on some of the body work. I got the side scoops that Lawless Garage sent me. I do have the SVO side skirts. I have the mufflers for side exhaust. So 2022, I hope, is going to be the year that more cosmetic stuff gets done on the car. Like I said, I still have a little bit more on the performance side, but Nitrous Express has been very generous to me, and my car on a nitrous hit is pretty much exactly where I want it to be. So when I'm driving around and want it to be normal, it's just normal. When I flip that switch and press that button, it's got the power that I want. And I don't really, I think I'm going to stay that way for quite a while. People warned me that I wouldn't be going turbo after this, and I can see why. And like I said, turbo might be down the road still, but I think it's time to switch some of my focus over on getting the car looking good and you know, just being all around just a really clean daily driver. It's still not going to have the back seats. My kids can't fit back there. I just put my son back there in the car seat, and his feet was touching the front seat. And so it's definitely not very practical as a family hot rod. Maybe eventually down the road I'll get a classic that's got a lot of room, something big like a Fairlane or something. That would be sweet. But that's for something else. But anyway, guys, this is just a short video. Show y'all some of the plans and go over the goals. Like I said, 1,500 subs is the goal. That's pretty much it. Like, I got a few odd and ends to clean up. I have a steering rack running right here that I keep looking at that I need to get to. I have it. Mine's got a really small leak, and it's just not enough for me to worry about right now, as bad as that is to say. Also, 2022, we are looking to move. So some of y'all might know we're like a block away from the beach, and that salt content in the air wreaks havoc. What you've seen in the beginning of the video, that is not for the sake of my paint. My paint is crap. That is for sake of wrenching the salt off of it so my car does not develop rust anywhere it should. So I keep pretty steady up with keeping it wrenched off, and you know, I don't want it to rust away. They already got the reputation of rusting, so I don't want to fit that. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all had a great Christmas. Thank y'all for watching. Sorry this wasn't very action-packed or anything cool, but yeah, let me know what y'all got for y'all's car down in the comments. You know, I'd love to hear what y'all got planned, what y'all got, the goals for 2022. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, and some of y'all race, y'all have goals, got an ET goal, got a, you know, a goal of getting something done, your car painted, wrapped, something, just let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from y'all. Thank y'all for watching. This is Horseplay. Peace.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with these 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with these 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't turn around. No matter how far I go, I'll never come back.